Rialto Beach. At least that's what I think we're supposed to be pronouncing it as. You can look at that up on Google. Well, I'll look it up too. Just gotta educate myself. But that dope. Beach is pretty phenomenal. Look at that. It's like in one of those pirate movies. Pirates of the Caribbean. There has to be a shipwreck over there. Ooh. Those are the islands right in front of me where the Goonies found One Eye Willie. Has to be. That's One Eye Willie.
If only you were lonely, maybe I was holy. We could be together, bending over backwards. You become an actor, be my thrill forever. You once told me I was all you had. I guess I know life and it doesn't work like that. Oh, honey, now you're saying I'm acting crazy, and you don't see what you see. Get back to what you used to like about me. Back to what you used to like about me. High so high, drinks for free. Let's go to the extremes. Get back to what you used to like about me. Back to what you used to like about me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Back to what you used to like about me.
Good morning, my friends and family. Off to another hike in the Hoh Rainforest. Got a little jump start on the crew that I'm with. They decided to take a little bit longer this morning and get some breakfast. I wanted to get to the rainforest and see the sun shining through the leaves. My typical starter. I don't drink coffee, so one of my alternatives to coffee. Everybody, not everybody, a good number of you have suggested I should get off this and all other energy drinks. One day. The weather right now is prime. It's so good. Feels probably about maybe 55 degrees. So it's gonna be a nice cool hike for now until the sun pops up and it gets really hot. But this is gonna be fun.
And you don't see what you see. Get back to what you used to like about me. Back to what you used to like about me. High so high, drinks for free. Let's go to the extremes. Get back to what you used to like about me. Back to what you used to like about me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Back to what you used to like about me.
Sleeping.